I'm going to make a small, short video about the Spider-Man armor suit. And what is it, the Mark? You said Mark 13.
Mark 14.
14? I thought it was just the Mark 1, though.
I don't know. We'll have to check in with the video game. It's a Mark something.
What about the Mark 0.5, because it's not even painted?
That's just you.
Yeah. So this is the Spider-Man Mark something armored spider suit. It's 3D printed and all sanded down, primed, and wet sanded again. The only thing that I've actually finished and painted is the helmet, as you can see. But everything else is mostly done. I need to do the hands, the spider on the back, and the elbow pieces, I guess. But those are things that I have to paint before attaching them to the suit.
By the way, my suit is not 3D printed.
This suit isn't 3D printed, but it still looks awesome. But I can barely breathe in this mask, but it doesn't have any like vinyl or film or anything over the lenses. I use just metal mesh on the lenses so that air actually goes out, because
it was a mistake.
The problem that I've had on other Spider-Man masks is that those lenses always fog up, and it's so hard to see anyway.
Except mine.
Except yours. That when it gets that fog, it's way worse. So this one doesn't fog up at all, and I can actually see really well. So this armor is pretty sweet. I haven't figured out totally how it's going to be strapped on. Mainly the legs are a problem, because I need to figure out how the back is going to strap on.
Yeah, and they're tiny anyway. So.
Yeah, but overall it works really well. Feels actually pretty good. It's a little hard to walk. Again, I need to figure out the legs.
Do it.
Yeah, I'm kind of like
You're the penguin.
waddle.
You're the penguin.
Right.
Different universe.
But I might just have Captain America carry me, or you can carry me. Yeah, that'll work. So, this is the armored suit. Next video, hopefully, it'll be finished. I might have a smaller muscle suit to go under it.
What? How are you order that?
Yeah, like a lean muscle suit.
Well, I know, but how are you going to order that in time?
Oh, I don't know. I mean, the next video could be a year from now. Who knows?
Good point.
I'll try to make it, sometime. But hopefully I'll have a finished suit. I'll look like a billionaire Spider-Man, and we'll be good to go. Yeah. So, I guess I should take off the helmet now.
Because you can't breathe?
Ugh. So this is the helmet, and I can speak better now. Hopefully you can hear me better now. This was actually something that this is the first thing that I finished, and I painted it, and before I even started sanding this stuff. And I used a Rust-Oleum chrome, I think it was like a bright chrome paint, I think.
Yeah, it looks like.
It's really, it's good, and it's the same that I use for the Shredder armor for the most part, but it is pretty sensitive, so me holding it like this, I'm probably ruining it. And so I'm actually going to paint the rest of the armor in a different paint. It's going to be Duplicolor Metal Cast Ground Coat, and actually that's really great. It doesn't look quite as chrome, but it's really metallic, shiny silver, and then you can coat it with a nice enamel or something like that so that it doesn't get messed up. And I actually redid my Shredder helmet with that stuff, and it looks really good. And I'm going to do the whole suit in that, and then we'll see if I feel like redoing the helmet. I probably will, because I'm already seeing on the back of the helmet where it expands. Did you see that little bit of chrome just pop off right there when I did that?
Yeah?
Yeah, it's going to keep doing that, right? So, I mean, that's something that will probably happen with the other one, but I can't really even fix this. As soon as you do anything with this chrome, it'll be totally screwed up. So, anyway, that's the Armored Spider-Man suit. I hope you like my progress so far. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see how it looks when I finally get it fully done. And thanks for watching.
And if your wife would make fun of you for, seeing you do this, then you should probably subscribe.
And, Facebook it, Twitter it, tweet it, all that cool stuff, right?
So if it's dark and it's night, then you'll want to check out this sort of stuff again, right?
Oh, hey, thanks for watching.